Welcome to a brand new tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a copy node in Fusion. If you're familiar with Nuke, the copy node is a great little tool that replaces channels in the B input with channels from the A input. While this tip won't showcase a flashy technique, it will help you work more efficiently in Fusion. Although you can achieve the same results with the Channel Boolean node, using this custom node will speed up your workflow. Let's dive in. First, grab a Channel Boolean node and connect your inputs. Connect your RGB to the background input and your alpha to the foreground input. Next, adjust the settings. Set red to red BG. Set green to green BG. Set blue to blue BG. Leave alpha as alpha FG. To resolve the ghost effect, simply add an alpha multiply node. This combines the alpha channel with the RGB in your footage. Now, let's save this setup as a macro to streamline your workflow. Right-click on the node and select Create Macro. Rename the background input connected to RGB as B and the foreground input connected to alpha as A. Enable the mask option and give it a name like mask. Name the macro, click Close, and save it when prompted. Congratulations! You now have your own version of Nuke's copy node inside Fusion. I'll be using this node in upcoming tutorials, so be sure to save it on your computer if you want to follow along. While the Channel Boolean node works fine, this copy node will save you a few clicks and make your workflow faster. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and useful techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.